Okay.
Look there. Oh.
Yeah,
Yes, one with its mommy. Look here, yeah.
Ja, laat blaas hy nou.
Blaas hy nou. It is Friday the 20th of March. We've just woken up here at Kwass Baai, and through the night we saw spoor of a little rooikat, and I'm panning here so that you can see what our campsite looks like. Sun is coming up, and what a nice scene. We actually had some rain last night, although it was light rain. You could definitely hear it on the rooftop tent. So there is a little bit of dew on everything. We've got a space close to this enclosed braai area. And where I'm panning up, you will see the rest of the camp. There's also like a separate campsite with an eco toilet.
Hi, morning. Waiting for the water to boil. Yeah, it seems like it's almost boiling. And then we'll have some coffee and rusk. And it's a bit moist and sandy, so I'm going to hose off the ladder. So as you can see, we are quite prepared. Oops,
that's the wrong way to pour it.
That's the wrong way.
That's the wrong way to pour it.
Yeah, it's always nice. Morning coffee with rusk.
Everything.
Similar to the last part we did yesterday, there will be one or two areas with soft sand in between. We will take some turns off this main road closer to the beach and do a couple of stops along the way to stretch the legs and manage to stop some by those.
We are at Varswaterkamp, just driving through slowly on the coast towards our final destination for today at Namaqualand. Philip, we're still going to hit some soft sand, deep
sure
sand?
we will. There's the long drops.
The eco toilets, yeah.
Two that's close together.
It's a beautiful day. Yeah.
Temperature 19 degrees.
19 degrees. Fresh, nice sea breeze coming on.
Ons landje het net afgemaak toen so die bultjie gegaan het. Lyk met heeltemal gevlieg nie, so gaan net weer opsit. Alright. That could have been a big good thing.
Ek hoop nie daar's 'n skade.
It's going to be a nice day, I think.
A lone camper, is it?
Yes, but it looks like a very good setup there. Not permanent, but they're not staying here for only a day, so.
There's more
Probably
camping sites where
outdoor
it's
camping
1, 2, 3,
sites.
4, is it?
Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah.
With 2 ablutions.
And
Long
there
drops.
it is Bamboeskamp.
Bamboeskamp.
Yes. Now we know. Okay.
Okay.
1 or 2 spots. Not sure which one it is. Let's see. Oh, there is the name is there in the front. We'll have a
Okay,
look.
$50 to the person
Yeah.
who can guess why this next campsite you're going to go through. The name of that campsite is Skuinsklip.
Oh yes, because of the clip.
Skuinsklip.
Yeah.
$50 if you can guess why it's called.
Because you've got to sit skeins when you sit on that potty.
Yeah, man. What are you thinking about that?
It looks like all the rocks are at an angle.
You know.
Yes, that's one of the reasons. Well, that is the reason. If you look at the right-hand side campsite, that one rock that basically overhangs the enclosure, the dry area. That is where the actual name comes from that specific rock. So Admiral Donuts was Donitz. He was the chief of the two specific operations in the South African waters during the Second War. And the U-boats always operated in groups of 3, 4, sometimes a bit more, but on average 4 U-boats at a time.
Leaving Koringkorrelbaai behind, we continue along the sandy coastal track towards Skuinsbaai. There is nothing technical about this stretch of road, which gives us the perfect opportunity to slow down and appreciate the beauty around us. To our left, the cold Atlantic rolls endlessly onto this rugged shoreline, while ahead the track gently winds its way through the Namaqualand National Park. It's moments like these that remind us why we keep exploring beyond the familiar, where the journey is every bit as rewarding as the destination.
Another campsite. Our group approaching too. I can remember that we were here the previous time. We did a stop here. Can you remember?
Yes,
Came
we
up
did.
to this eco toilet. I remember that very well. We were here before.
These guys,
See that
pastors is
trailer,
mine.
the Ibex trailer, that Camperland thing.
Ibex,
I've
yes.
never seen or heard of it.
No. Oh yeah. Skuinsbaai Noord. Yes, this is where we are. Ibex trailer. They've got their little shower. You see, Philip, they actually put pins at the back, at the bottom. So,
They're probably testing those camper vans.
Yeah, I was also thinking about it. The incident is a bit too big for that to be friends or whatever, all having the same one. So yeah, but probably that's a shakedown trip for them. As you approach where I am now, across the bay, that bay's name is Skuinsbaai. With those white issues at the back, that's Skuinsbaai.
Please say the command.
see, saying come on. Jy kry hom by hom.
Maar jy nie sterk long net die bak voor en druk.
Daai kompressie gaan tas.
Philip, jy moet nou.
Wat is maar 'n trolletjie? Hulle travel ver.
Ek moet my ammo kies. Kan ek my ammo kies?
Ja.
'n Swaarde.
Hierdie een lyk. Waar's die berg? Hier, waar's die wenner?
Ja.
Oeh, aan die ander kant. Donor, wie was dit?
Daryl. Maar Philip, jy moet baie rol. Goed nat kry.
Philip is nou also
Dat hy kan vlieg. Dat hy kan vlieg.
putting a lekker boektrolletjie. Okay. Jy mustn't suck it, Philip. Oh, God.
Okay.
This was fun. We're approaching deep sand again, so Philip will need to do it low range, or what?
Yes, low range and momentum.
And momentum.
Okay, yeah.
I don't know. It's not, you're not in low range.
Not yet. Oh,
Ach, the sand.
Like
Yes,
the
ach,
sea.
sand. Wil jy nie maar nou in sit nie?
Wat het daar afgeval?
Iets van hom. O,
Computer, hij is out. En een Skype. Somebody left his in-deflate bag there. I was so excited and then there's nothing inside except sand.
okay.
Last year I lost a shackle here, a red one with a yellow pin. So if somebody sees it,
It's mine.
there's an award waiting for you.
How much is the reward? That will determine how hard Yes, there's a very milkshake section here.
Ja, very milkshake, ja.
No, the sand is easy peasy. You are almost now sand champion for it.
Oh my goodness. This is milkshake.
Okay.
This is a nice part of it. We've got ostriches again. Come on.
Dit versigtig vir hierdie boetebesie.
Yes, that side too.
No. Wat is dit jy en die groot vole?
Bompojani.
Hy het dit nie gehoor. Hy het dit nie gehoor.
Grootvoel paradijs. Hallo. Oeh. Pipi sy. now passing a seal colony, and you can just hear how they, shouting, crying, I don't know.
We're going to stop here in this open area.
Very smelly, very smelly.
Sound like sheep.
Yeah, look there. Yeah, they sound like sheep. Oh, there's a little pup.
Yeah.
There's a little pup. Okay, stop. I'm just gonna go a little bit closer with my camera.
You're not supposed to go out.
No, he's also out.
Okay.
I'm not gonna go out far. Just gonna go and check.
Keep the door open.
Yeah. It's very, very smelly. They've got lots of pups. Look at these small ones. Oh, my, they are so small. All crying for their mommies.
Sounds like sheep. Exactly the same.
Sounds like sheep, yes, like they bleating. That's the word.
What?
Bleat. I think the word is bleating.
Okay, I'm not familiar with that word.
Philip, they're running down. Look there.
What do they call it? Seal Island.
Ek weet nie wat hulle
Far horizons call our name, soft as breath through space. smoke and rain, empty fields and open sky. Something stirs, we don't know why. Through the silence, through the flame, ash on our shoes, still we came. Every road leads to the unknown. Every mile feels like home. We've been walking on a thin, thin line, learning how to leave the past behind.
Oh, fuck. My linkerwiel is op met 5.
Jou linker wat in jou?
Ek gaan net gaan check.
Ja, hy wys nie.
Sonja, kyk hier. Punt 5. Frans, ek net gaan check na my trailer se linkerwiel. Ek weet nie of ek 'n slow leak het nie. Ek gaan net gaan check.
Copy, no problem.
Dis stop net hier op die harde ding, dit is nie. Net 'n bietjie vorentoe hier daar. Hierso. Die gelyke pad. Wat het jy nou nodig?
Kijk, goed. Dit is gewoon hier.
That's why a tire pressure monitoring system is so important when one do these sort of things. Far cheaper than the cost of a tire, and you will definitely be able to save a couple of tires if you detect the leak before the time.
Snaaks het julle trailer niks opgetel het met daai klein wiele nie. So ver.
Jong, is net daai een ding wat 'n ou raak.
Ja.
Wat net daar sit.
Ja. Ja, dis nou daai regtig 1 in 'n miljoen ding, hè.
Maar broer, hy is soos in letterlik van hierdie kant af horisontaal in. Of whatever jy dit sê, dit ja.
As jy nou nog een moet insit, dan gaan hy wiel off balance wees.
Dis 'n goeie kommentaar.
Ons wil nie dit hê nie. Nee, ons kan nie dit bekostig nie. Nee, o, yes.
Klink of jy 'n kenner is van wheel balancing. Ja, maar jy dit nou maar doen nie.
Nee, ek dink dit nou eers.
Okay.
Wat is dit?
Hy's nou 'n bietjie hoog 1.1. Ek kom net 'n bietjie afblaas.
Okay, dan moet jy hom afblaas.
Kom ons hou hom maar eers so.
0.1.
Nee, kom ons hou hom net so as jy nou kyk. Ek kan nou daarvoor afblaas by Spoegrivier, okay?
Okay, now. Yeah, we're not sure how it happened, but there was a Philip
Notice there was a slow leak on the left wheel of the trailer.
Yeah.
It was down to 0.5 of 0.5 bar,
Yeah.
and luckily I saw it on the tire pressure monitor,
Yes.
and we could rectify the problem soon enough.
Yeah. What I saw actually, what was causing the leak.
Yes.
It was a thick thorn straight into the tire wall. Yeah.
Yeah, so Francois put in 3 plugs to seal that hole.
3 times lucky, third time like.
The bad thing about it is it's on the side wall of the tire.
Yeah.
So I need to swap the tire when we get to Namaqualand.
Yeah, let's see. It should hold until there. What is the tire pressure now?
1.1.
1.1. Okay. Now I just hope we don't have deep sand.
You know, it's not a problem.
Not a problem. Okay. Okay, that's it.
Controlled area means that there's restricted fishing and restricted rides. All of this following has been very restricted. Some animal there on my left hand side. Springbok.
It looks like a springbok, but daai maagie gaan ontplof een of ander tyd.
Definitely. Yeah,
So dead springbok there. Yeah, dead springbok. It looks very bloated.
If we falter, if we fall, we'll get up, we've seen it all. Every scar a secret side, leading us to this design. We rise, we run, we chase the light, through the dust and through the
Anybody wants to need to stop at the door?
hearts wide open. Wide.
Ons is reg, dankie.
Wat je van
Boulderbaai.
Bamboeskamp. That's quite.
Yeah, look at that. Interesting. It looks like whale bones or something that they put there. Driving through the eco toilets.
Stop saving fuel, eh? I watch you.
Naar voren.
But once you go get to that little that signpost, that first rise up soft-ish, so just a little bit of momentum to get up, and once you get to the top it levels out and then it's fine again.
Okay. Okay, daar hier gesien. Okay, nou weer 'n bietjie momentum. Okay, Sonia's driving. Let's see what she can do. Can niet zo vanaf doen.
Again, I'm staying out of this. Okay, the remainder of the section, the sand is fairly loose, so it's just up that rise, a little bit of momentum, then it hardens a bit and then softens again.
Hou net die momentum. Hou
Very
net ry.
uneven, so a little bit of a milkshake, so you don't have to go fast, but definitely you want to maintain
Ry,
movement.
ry, ry nie. Net momentum. Net so, net so, net so. En net beweeg.
Yes, this road is excellent for a digestive system, that I can promise you.
Yes.
Leave hours.
Wat is springkoning Engels?
It goes from milkshake to honeymoon in a blink of an eye. To milkshake again. Back to honeymoon again. It is a hop hop spinnerkop.
Ja, nee.
Bounce bounce spinnerkop. I definitely have to oil the springs of my seat.
Dan is Fossie op my skoot, dan sy van my skoot af, dan sy op my skoot, dan sy af.
Waar jy brag jy?
Nee, ek dink Fossie soek net 'n rede om op jou skoot te gaan land.
Go Foster.
When you see the signpost policeman's helmet on left there. Alright, so the policeman's helmet, as you saw there on the signpost, refers to this big granite boulder here on the left hand side. Now apparently if you look at it from the sea, it looks like the old helmets that the policemen wore, which is basically the same shape as what the English did the khakis during the Anglo-Boer War, with a shorter tip front of the helmet and a long tip at the back, and then those loose rocks that outcrop on top of it then look like the plinth on top of the helmet. So that's where the name policeman's helmet comes from. There's a little bit of a detour technical section, very narrow. So guys with the trailer specifically, have a good look on your trailer wheels and the trailer itself. If you do not, it's a short little loop, a little bypass. If you do not want to do it, then you can just stay straight on that road.
Links is hier rechts, kyk hier rechts. Van links. Stadig voor die.
Nee, wacht, ek wil 'n video neem.
Okay.
Learning how to leave the past behind. We chase the light through the dust and through the night. Hearts wide open, wild and free.
It's not that first part is a little bit uneven, but thereafter it levels out, so it's actually not bad at all. Last year we struggled nogal up that one. Sonja nog agter die stuur.
Ja, sy ry. Ek bly nou maar doodstil, ek sê nie 'n woord nie.
You are such a wise man.
We've just arrived here at the Spoegrivier cave, which is one of the earliest places where they recorded sheep farming, I think. Says the shelter is a very rich archaeological deposit which dates back to the late Stone Age period. I think it's also one of the first evidence of domestic sheep in South Africa, and these are the caves where we've just briefly stopped. Important archaeological site here on the west coast.
Leaving the Spoegrivier caves behind, we continue through stretches of pale soft sand. With the trailer faithfully following every twist and bump in the track. As we approach the Koringkorrelbaai road entrance to the Namaqualand National Park, the landscape changes once more as the pale sand gives way to firmer, more colour-rich sand, marking yet another subtle change in this ever-changing landscape.
The Koringkorrel Eco Route winds through one of the most remote and unspoilt corners of the Namaqualand National Park. For us, this route is exactly what overland travel is all about. Quiet tracks, wide open spaces, and the freedom to stop whenever something catches your eye. It's a chance to slow down, appreciate the scenery, and also to experience a part of South Africa that many travelers never get to see. We're going to continue our journey along South Africa's remote west coast towards the small fishing village of Koringkorrelbaai, where we'll spend the next 2 nights. Fewer than 1,000 people call this quiet village home. Time seems to move a little slower there with colourful fishing boats, fresh west coast crayfish and endless views of the Atlantic Ocean.
Today, Unforgettable Baai is a favourite destination for anglers, campers, overlanders and 4x4 enthusiasts like us, all drawn by the wild beauty of the Namaqualand coast. When Captain Thomas Grace arrived here in 1846, he noticed a large news rock that resembled a dog sitting and looking out to sea. He named the bay Unforgettable, Afrikaans for Dogstone Bay. The famous Dogstone didn't escape the passage of time. In 1853, its ear was deliberately chopped off and taken to Cape Town to promote the fictitious Dog's Ear Copper Company. Then, during a severe lightning storm in the 1970s, the rock lost its nose as well. Sadly, no known sketches from the 1840s or early photographs survived to show what the original Dogstone looked like. But Unforgettable has an even bigger story to tell. This quiet village was once the harbour for the Namaqualand copper mines. Copper ore was hauled 104 kilometers by ox wagon from the mines around Springbok before being loaded onto ships waiting offshore. In the late 1800s, Unforgettable became one of the busiest ports along the Namaqualand coast and played a vital role in South Africa's early mining history. The Atlantic Ocean here is as beautiful as it is unforgiving. Strong winds, rough seas, and hidden reefs have claimed many ships over the years, earning this coastline its reputation as one of South Africa's great shipwreck coasts.
Something stirs, we don't know why. Through the silence, through the flame, ash on our shoes, still we came. Every road leads to the unknown. Every mile feels like home. We've been walking on a thin, thin line, learning how to leave the past behind. We rise, we run, we chase the light, through the dust and through the night. Hearts wide open, wild and free. This is where we're meant to be. We rise, we run, we chase the light, hand in hand against the
I think he's here for a snack. I think he's here for a snack. Oh, there's a crab inside.
Keep going.
Margot is on it again. Go, 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 go. Go, Margot, go.
That might just be telling you that this died a natural death and this one didn't.
Wow.
Okay. Tough.
The right here is a very